Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to talk about the importance of DNA methylation during the replication system or replication process. Okay, now in normal time DNA strands, some of the DNA portions are methylated and the parental DNA strands are methylated, and the reason for that is that these are the tagging that tell the cell proteins that this part of the DNA is ready for the replication, and the strands which are not having any methylation events or which is not methylated suggests that these strands are newly synthesized and we not need to carry out replication on this newly synthesized strand unless they are getting methylated. Now for this purpose, let us talk about, here it is the old strand which is having methylated at a particular site. This is a site specific event. It is called the site specific methylation event. The site is called GATC. So these are the nucleotide, 4 nucleotide sequences, and methylation is occurred at the adenosine methylation or adenosine point. So adenosine nucleotide is getting methylated via the enzyme called DAM methylase or DAM methylase. So DAM methylase methylate adenosine group at GATC site. Now right after the methylation we are having the old strand, which is both of the strands are getting methylated, and right after one round of replication, as the replication process is semi-conservative in nature, it will produce two different daughter strands, and both of them are having only one of their strand methylated, which are the old strand, but the newly synthesized strands are not methylated because these strands are just getting synthesized and enzyme have not reached this point to methylate them out still now. Now right after some time the DAM methylases come and methylate the adenosine group there. Now before the methylation of this newly synthesized strand, these two new daughter DNA strand cannot be replicated again. Okay, right after only the methylation of these newly synthesized strands, they can only be getting methylated. That's the actual phenomena which controls that this newly synthesized DNA cannot be separated or cannot be replicated. Now here is the active DNA, the origin GATC sites. A is methylated only after one division cycle. We produce two new daughter DNA strands. One of each of the DNA strands of this new daughter DNA sequences are not methylated, and we need DAM methylase come in and act on them to make them methylated, and then they can act as the old parental strand. They can be parent, and they are having the license for carrying out the DNA replication for further procedures. Now why is that? Because there is a type of protein which is called the inhibitor protein, which bind to the hemimethylated DNA. Hemimethylated DNA means the DNA is the daughter DNA which is having one of the strand methylated, one is unmethylated. Now one strand is methylated, one is not methylated, and this is called the hemimethylated DNA, and to this hemimethylated DNA there is a protein inhibitor which bind to these sites, and this, as a result of this protein inhibitor binding, DNA polymers cannot access this site, so the DNA polymers can fall off and DNA replication cannot be proceeded further. But right after the DAM methylase activity to this newly synthesized strand, and both of the strands are getting methylated, so these hemimethylated strands are transferred into the methylated strands via the DAM methylase, and then DNA protein can bind with these sites and origin of replication, and they can recognize the origin of replication, and then all the other ingredients can act on it, can carry out the replication. So this is all about the synthesizing the DNA replication, and these things actually happen at the origin site. Or origin of replication site is called the ORIC. So ORIC region must be methylated to carry out the replication before any other use. Okay, so that is tightly controlled and that is monitored tightly, that to see the whether the proper DNA replication is occurring or not. So amateur DNA which is just getting produced cannot be replicated because of the sitting of this inhibitor protein onto it, because of the production of the hemimethylated strand. Okay, so that's it, and I hope it will help you. Thank you.